Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's open the settings, and then scroll down and find display and brightness. Scroll down and find a reading mode. So this is the name of the eye comfort mode or a night mode in this device. So let's tap on it. Let's begin with tapping on this top switcher. In the reading mode, we've got two different modes. So the cycle one, which is automatic, and classic one, in which you can actually customize this mode. So let me focus on the classic. Just tap on it. And now tap on this switch, not switcher, but this arrow here. So as you can see, we've got some settings and two different switchers. The first one is connected with the color temperature. Right now it is set on this neutral position. That's why probably you cannot see the difference between the screen. By going to the right, we can make it warmer, and now it is a little bit more visible that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can also go to the left and you will simply set the cooler set tone. Here we've got also the texture. Let me go to the coolest one actually to show you the difference. Right now the texture is turned off, so the background is completely, I would say, flat, completely soft, visibly soft. But by going to the right with this texture switcher, we can see that now the background is kind of noisy. It aims to recreate the paper-like texture. So yeah, so it depends whether you prefer to use it or not. I believe that it could be useful, especially if you're reading books on your phone and you wish to have this paper-like texture experience. I believe you could then add this texture to the background and then set this yellowish tones. Those yellowish tones, I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan. Here we've got also the colors, so we can decide how the colors will be displayed. So now we've got the full colors, which we can check here. We can treat it as a preset. So here we've got the colors which are vibrant, well visible, let's say intense. We can also set light colors, and now they are more pastel-like. They're also a little bit dull or washed out. And we can also set black and white, and everything will be displayed in a black and white manner, which I believe is quite a good option when you're trying to limit the time you're spending on the screen, because black and white colors are, and you know, those grayish icons are not really that I would say intimidating. You do not really feel the urge to open them, to use them, etc. Alright, and here you can simply restore defaults. Moreover, after getting back, here we've got the kind of schedule option. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, so let me turn it on. And under it we've got two additional options. So the custom period, where we can simply choose the start and the end time, and our device will apply the mode accordingly. Or we can choose good night's read, and this option is more automatic. Your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. Alright, so this is how to customize the reading mode. Let me go to the right so you will see the changes after all. And now I wanted to show you much faster access to it. So you do not have to enter the night mode or reading mode through the settings. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar. And here we've got an additional toggles. And unfortunately, I believe that the reading mode is not here. So we have to simply tap on edit, and then scroll and try to find the eye comfort or reading mode icon here. In my case, it's right there. As you can see, this is the icon with the eye inside it. So just tap on this plus icon, it will be immediately transferred right here. So tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner, and now we can quickly turn it on just by tapping on it, and the same way to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.